हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एनपी शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज आपको लीगल मैटर प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ 120 की स्पीड से अप्रॉक्स 600 वर्ड्स। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन एंड वन मोर थिंग्स, इफ़ यू नीड अ PDF फाइल you can download from description box. So be ready for the dictation. Get ready, start. Heard Sri Bimal Prasad for the petitioner and Sri Shatendra Nath Tiwari for the consisting respondent. This writ petition has been filed against the order of the Assistant Collector dated 4/11/2009 approving Kurra and date final decree dated 6/11/2009, additional commissioner dated 27/4/2008 10 and Board of Revenue UP dated 26/2012 dismissing the appeal and second appeal of the petitioner in partition suit under section 176 of UP Zamindari Abolition and Land Reforms Act 1950 hereinafter referred to as the Act. Stop. Third paragraph. The petitioner filed an application dated 5/10/2007 for preparation of final decree. Assistant Collector directed the Lekhpal to prepare Kurra. Lekhpal prepared Kurra and submitted in the court on 18/3/2008. The petitioner filed an objection dated 3/4/2008 to the Kurra and stated that Kurra has not been prepared according to previous possession of the petitioner. The petitioner was in possession of northern side of plot 147/2 by the side of Chuck Road in private partition, but Lekhpal prepared Kurra of the parties in north-south. Share of the petitioner was given in eastern side, due to which boring was sunk by the petitioner on his own expenses. In western side was given in the share of the defendants 1 and 2. In the same way, plot 150 was divided in north-south instead of east-west. In plot 103, the petitioner was in possession of western portion, but his Kurra has been prepared in eastern portion. In plot 113, the petitioner was in possession of western portion, but his Kurra has been prepared in eastern portion. Assistant Collector by order dated 4/11/2009 found that the petitioner could not prove that boring in plot 147 was sunk from his own expenses. Lekhpal has prepared Kurra, giving frontage on Chuck Road to both the parties, giving valuation according to their share. On these findings, he approved the Kurra and directed for preparation of final decree according to it. In pursuance of this order, final decree was prepared on 6/11/2009. Stop paragraph. The petitioner filed an appeal registered as appeal number 4 of 2009 from the aforesaid order. Additional Commissioner, after hearing the parties by order dated 27/4/2010, held that Kurras were prepared according to share of the parties in different plots. The petitioner was in service and living outside the district. Defendants number 1 and 2 have more share in plot 147. As such, it is more probable that they must have installed a tube-well in it. Assistant Collector has not committed any illegality. On these findings, the appeal was dismissed. The petitioners filed an second appeal registered as second appeal number 16 of 2010 from the aforesaid order. Board of Revenue UP by order dated 27/2012 affirmed the findings of the courts below and dismissed second appeal Hence, this writ petition has been filed. Stop. Next paragraph. The counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner had purchased share of respondents number 5 and 6 in plots 102 and 103 Lekpal while preparing Kurra has given 0.8 hectare less in plot 102 and 0.73 hectare less in plot 103. Stop. Similarly, total valuation of 47.80 was given to the petitioner and 57.30 was given to respondent 5 and 6. Kurra of the petitioner on plot 147 has become in narrow strip and it will become very difficult to the petitioner to cultivate it through tractor. Both the tubewells falling in plot 47 are given in Kurra of the respondents 5 and 6. Additional commissioner has illegally presumed that boring in plot 147 was shrink by the respondents. Low fertile lands has been allotted in Kurra of the petitioner and Kurra was not according to provisions of Rule 131 of rules. Impunged orders are illegal and liable to be set aside. Stop. So friends, ये अप्रॉक्स 5 and 600 अराउंड 600 वर्ड्स थे, थोड़ा टफ था. सो आई होप आप लोगों ने लिखा होगा या लिखने की कोशिश करी होगी. सो अगर एक बार में ये आपसे नहीं बनता है या स्पीड तेज़ थी तो आप इसको कम से कम 4-5 बार बनाइए, आपकी स्पीड डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज़ होगी. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.